Hello, y'all. My name is George Sparrow. I'm with Big M. I've been driving here for a little over 3 months now, working on my 4 months. And this is my dog Angel. She rides with me all the time. And I'm here with,
Robert Bernard.
and we're team drivers. It was not even the next day. Miss Portia had called us and got us to rent a car the next week. And then we got over here and went to orientation. It went great. Got introduced to everybody over here. And everything's been going good since.
Okay, so after orientation, we were able to meet with our fleet manager, Mr. Steve, and he sat down with us, explained to us what was expected of us and what we should expect out of him. It was a two-way street. We were both able to speak. He let us know, what his daily duties were going to be, and he asked us if there's anything that we needed, and whatever.
Stay up and everything.
Yeah, well, whatever we needed, he gave to us, and then after that, we picked our truck. At the time, there's probably about 15 trucks in the yard. They let us go through every truck, start every truck up, inspect them all, and we picked our truck, put our truck in the shop to get the little things, that need to be taken care of, motor-wise, or yeah, the regular maintenance. And then we were on the road. We got our first load and started running. Like I said earlier, the first week or so, they kind of do a little touch and go to see what you can handle. But we like to run, so they saw that we wanted to run, and the more you want to run, the more they want you to run. That way, everybody's happy. We making money, company's making money, everybody's satisfied.
Pet wise, they're very friendly with pets. They let you come over here, bring your pet with you, and they even put them in the motel with you while you're in orientation and everything, to where you don't have to worry about your pet at all. And then there's no pet deposit or anything that you got to get to be able to get the pet in the vehicle with you. And other than that, she does really great in the truck with us. Sits there and barks at everybody walking by though, but she does really great with us, and she's very good company to have, especially if you're a solo driver and ain't got nobody else. A good pet with you is really all you need. We love the miles that we get, the checks that we get. Everything's going great for us right now. All the dispatchers and everything work awesome for us. Our driver manager, Mr. Steve, he's been doing awesome for us, getting us home on time and everything, just to make sure that we would be able to see our family when we go home that once a month.
I do love the company. This is my second company I've driven for. The first one was a mega carrier. Like they say, you truly are just a number when you work for a mega carrier. I worked for the mega carrier right at a year. I probably talked to about 100 people on the phone. At Big M, we talked to 3 people. I talked to my driver leader. He calls and checks in every couple of days. And when we need to call to talk to anyone, we call a direct line and speak directly to him. Nights and weekends, we have 2 great guys who answer the phones there and answer all our questions overnight and weekends. They're personal. They always ask us what can they do for us rather than what we can do for them. The miles are there, guys. If you want to roll, well, you can roll. You're going to start out a little bit slow the first week or two till they can see what you can handle. But once you can show them what you can handle, the miles are there. We're completely satisfied where we're at right now. Once your driver leader, once you give them a couple of weeks to kind of see what you can do and what you can run and how hard you're willing to run, the miles are there and they'll give them to you.
Checks are nice too.
Yeah, we don't have any problem making 18 to 20,000 miles in a 3-week time span over the month. Then we go home for a week and then come back out and start fresh. Bonuses are great. Miles are awesome. They're never going to give you anything you can't handle. But if you show them you can handle the miles, they're there for you.
And we're in truck 1349.
If you see us down the road, give us a wave.